Hello, good morning to one and all. This is the Virtual Internship Program by AI with the Data Science Intern. The title of the project is Python Programming. The aim of the project is to develop a rock, paper, scissors game using Python programming. And the objectives are to understand the environment of Jupyter Notebook and to use different cells and comments in the notebook and understand the basic data types and lists in Python, working with lists and accessing its elements, taking input users and user inputs and printing them, working on the random library and initializing the value of the variable, creating loops, asking the player to game multiple times unless the user enters quit, and using conditional operators to play the game with different options in the different games. And let's dive into the code. I have here imported the necessary packages for the code, and this is for the system to clear the stored variables and the garbage variables. And here I am print set of instructions for rock paper scissors. I am using a function to print a set of instructions for rock paper scissors, and I am using another function to print the set of instructions for rock paper scissors as its spock. And you can see the instructions here. And here comes the function which provides the game loop for rock paper scissors game. And here I'm printing the instructions for menu, which is help for instructions. If the player gives help, it will display the instructions function for rock paper scissors. And here the player, if enters rock or paper scissors, he proceeds to play. And if he gives exit, the user will quit from the game. And here I'm getting the player input. You can see with the input statement I am giving enter your move, and if the user gives help, it will display the instructions for the game. If they give exit, it will break from this loop, and if they give rock or paper or scissor, it will be it will be taken as 0, 1 or 2, and if any other choice is given other than this, it will give as wrong input. And here after that the computer will be making a move, and with a timer second of 2. And here the computer will generate a random int which is 0, 1 and 2. And to find the winner of the match, I'm going to store it in a two-dimensional array which is a matrix, and declaring the winner. If it winner is equal to the player move, we can print wins. If the winner is equal to the computer move, the computer wins, else it's a tie game. And after that, this is the function for the rock paper scissors as its game. And here I am give the set of menu for the player to help to proceed to the game. And here the same stuff is repeated. If the user gives neither of the above choices, it gives wrong input. And here we can see the computer is making a move, and it will generate random from range 0 to 4. And if the player computer move is equal to the winner move, then it will gives the computer wins, else it is the tie game. And moving on to the main function, this is the mapping between the moves and the numbers, which is 0 for rock, 1 for paper, 2 for scissors, 3 for lizard, and 4 for spock. And the win-lose matrix for the traditional rock paper scissors game, I have given it is here. And the win-lose matrix for the new version of the game, this is the RPSLS table. And first we have to enter a name. This is totally optional. And moving on to the game loop, here I have given the game menu, which version of the rock paper scissors the computer asks, and the player have to enter 1 if they have to play rock paper scissors. They have to enter 2 if they want to play RPSLS, and if they want to quit without playing the game, they should enter 3. And here I am going to give a try exception block to handle the player choice. If the user should enter the choice, and if it is a value error, it gives wrong choice. Or else if the choice is 1, it will move on to the RPS function. If the choice is 2, it will move on to RPSLS function. If the choice is 3, which is quit, it will break from the loop. And if there are any other choices given, it will give us a wrong choice. Read instructions carefully. Now let's execute this code. And this thing is totally optional. If you want to have only rock paper scissors, you can skip the part that function. I'm going to enter the name. I will enter my choice here. I want to pay rock paper scissors spock. So entering my choice, and I'm giving it as rock. and it's the computer chooses spock and the computer wins. Now I'm again got into the to play rock paper scissors spock. I'm going to give for instructions if I don't know it. Help. See, you can see the instructions print here for rock paper scissors spock, and I don't want to play anymore, so I'm giving it as exit. So I'm quitting from the game. And so again it will ask which version of rock paper scissors, so I'm going to give it as 3 to quit. Enter your choice and loop stops. Thank you.